Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm making sauce Pwa Congo Sèche, one of my favorites. I have several different sauce pois, but I wanted to give you guys another variety to try. I'm going to rinse out my peas and then I'm going to add them to my pot here so they can cook. I'll be also adding a green onion for flavor, and then after about 30 minutes I went ahead and removed it because I did not want the green onion to completely cook in there. And if you like what you see so far, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bells for more videos. Now that my peas are cooked, I'm going to blend them. When I blend my beans to make sauce pois, I never add a lot of water, and the reason why I don't do that is because I like my sauce pois to be nice and thick. I don't like watery sauce pois, or if they're clear, I'm not a fan of those. So I like to add less of the peas water as I blend them. And write your comment below and let me know what you think of this video so far. So I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, blend it. It's very simple and easy. That's why it's a short video today. And then after that, I'm going to run it through my drainer or my sifter and get all that pulp out of there, and we're gonna let it cook. Like I said, sauce pois is super easy, and it's always delicious. You can have it with rice, my moulin, or you can just have it by yourself with bread, with bun on, all those types of different ways that you can eat sauce pois. It's vegan friendly for my vegan folks. So yeah, it's another simple video for you guys. Alright guys, I went ahead and blend my beans. I'm now going to run it through my sifter here so I can get all the pulp out. And then the thing with sauce Pwa Congo, Sèche anyway, I don't really make regular sauce Pwa Congo. I'm not really a fan unless my mom make it. It's one of those things. But I noticed that it takes a little bit longer to cook versus the other ones. At least that has been my experience. So with it, I like to let it cook slowly. At first I let it cook a little bit high like you see here, but then after that I turn my burner down and I just let it do its thing. I let it take its time. So that's has been my experience. It probably won't be yours, but for some reason that's just how it always worked out for me. But yeah, after that I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning in there. I added salt, some seasoned salt, and a little bit of adobo. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add my coconut milk. Once I add my coconut milk, that's when I'm gonna go ahead and let it cook on low, because that's when it brings the consistency together for me. So yeah, it's a simple video, as I said earlier, and I hope you guys try it out. And if you do, let me know what you think. I've had this with white rice and sauce kalalu, one of my favorites, and I also like it with pizza meat. And I haven't made a pizza meat video. I'll probably make one. And now I'm rambling, oh my gosh. But yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. Another simple video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, and have a good Sunday. Bye guys.